Yo, what's up, programmer? In this video, I am going to explain pointers in C++ programming. So, what are pointers? A pointer is basically a variable that stores a memory address of another different variable. The pointer will point to the specific memory address or location of the other variable. Now, I am going to show you an example of a pointer in C++ programming. In this example, I have an integer variable called number. Now, in order to create a pointer, you need to understand the syntax. The syntax for a pointer is the data type, and then the asterisk, and then the name for the pointer. Once you have that, you can set it equal to the data value you want the pointer to point to. Now notice, we use the ampersand character to get the memory location of the variable. The ampersand character is very important because it's an operator that we need to use to get the location of the variable. The asterisk is also an operator where it stores the location in the pointer variable. Now with the variable and the pointer variable, we can do some things such as getting the value at the memory location that the pointer variable points to. In order to do this, we need to use the asterisk operator again because the asterisk is the dereference operator, and we need to dereference the location of the pointer in order to get the value. So when we run the program, you can see that the value is 10, which is the same value stored in the integer variable. You can also use pointers with other data types. In this example, I am going to create a string variable and a string pointer. So when we run the program, you can see that the value of the string also printed on the console. So this is an introduction to pointers in C++ programming. This is easy syntax, and I hope you enjoyed the video.